Welcome. In this video I will show you how to start and customize a workout on Apple Watch Series 11. First, press the digital crown to open the list of all applications, then find the workout app and open it. Using your digital crown to scroll, select the workout that you want to perform, and to start an open workout just press the play button. But if you want to customize your workout, you can set custom goals for yourself by tapping the icon in the top right corner. Here you have some default goals like time, distance, and calories. You can change one of these goals by tapping the pencil icon next to it and selecting the goal, changing the value, clicking down, and then you can start a workout by tapping right here. Or you can just start a specific goal workout by tapping on the goal itself. You can also set some custom goals if you go to custom and tap the plus icon, and then you can create a new custom workout by adjusting your warm-up. You can set it to open, you can set it to distance and time, and then change them. Then you can add a new element for your custom workout, and you can set work, recovery, or repeats. So for example, let's go to work, then distance, and let's say 1 kilometer. And then click done, and this way you will add a new element, and then you can add, for example, a recovery, the recovery for 5 minutes, tap done, and then you can add a new element, for example repeats, and repeats the workout or the work, then tap OK, and so let's set it to 2 repeats, done. And then you can also change the cooldown for your workout by going right here, and then the cooldown, let's set the cooldown to time, and let's set it to 10 minutes. And now the custom workout, this way the custom workout will be created. Once you click create workout, you can also rename it by tapping by selecting custom title and going into new title, and let's name it a regular workout, and click done. Okay, and now to start this custom workout, you just have to tap on it. Next, if you want to change the alerts, you have to tap the icon in the bottom right corner, then change the alerts by selecting the alert that you want to receive, for example the heart rate alert, and set the BPM level for your alert, or select off, or select a custom range. You can also change the time alert by switching this toggle to the right and selecting the time after which you want to receive an alert. You can also set the splits alert, set the distance value in here, and you can also enable target alerts if you switch this toggle to the right. And if you want to autoplay media, you have to tap the icon in the bottom left corner and switch this toggle to the right. You can also select some media by clicking add media, and then selecting the ones, either the default ones or the ones from the music app. And once you do all of that, basically you will customize your entire workout. And so that's basically how you do it. Now thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.